Hey guys, I'm Chris from the Silver Symbol channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can clean the inside of your car's windshield streak-free. You do not need to buy any special tools. If you've ever tried to clean your windshield using traditional glass cleaners, those things cost a lot of money, most of them smell pretty toxic, and what are the results like? You get lots of smudges and streaks, and it forces you to go and use more of the glass cleaner, and eventually you'll get the result that is somewhat mediocre. Instead, let's look at my method where I'm going to show you how to clean your windshield in about 60 seconds from start to finish, and you will get perfect results every time. We're going to use dishwashing detergent. Now the one here is a clean and clear type of product, and it's designed to break down greases, and it will do a better job than any glass cleaner you have tried. But there are a couple of tricks to making this work. Begin by grabbing a glass. You'll fill it with about 6 ounces of warm or hot water. Nothing boiling, we just want a little bit of heat to help activate the soap, and it will make the dirt dissolve a lot easier. Next, you'll squirt about 1 teaspoon of the soap directly into the glass. This next step is optional, but this is going to really supercharge this cleaning. Grab yourself some isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, whatever you've got. Now the bottle I've got here is 70% concentration, but you don't need that. Any type of rubbing alcohol will do. Add about 1 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol to this glass, and then go ahead and stir everything together. Now that we've got our super cleaning solution ready, we do need to grab a couple more items. You want to get either a beach towel or a bath towel, something larger, because we are going to spread that across our dashboard. Additionally, you'll need 2 more towels. Now these can just be hand towels or face cloths. You want them to be absolutely clean, and do not make the mistake of using napkins, tissues, or any type of a paper towel. That's just going to leave lint all over your windshield, and it is going to mess up the result. And because we mix this in a glass, it's actually going to be super convenient. You can go ahead and put it in one of the cup holders in your car, and now you don't have to worry about it tipping over. First, you'll want to go ahead and spread that large towel across your dashboard. Now this might seem like an optional step, but you'll see why this is critical. Spread it all out underneath the glass, and now go ahead and take your glass of cleaning solution, and we'll want to insert one of the small towels into it. You want that towel to absorb as much of the solution as possible. And wring out anything that's excessive. Go ahead and run that rag all over the inside of the windshield, and immediately you're going to notice one huge benefit. That soap kind of lubricates the rag. When you've cleaned your windshield in the past, you probably know it's really back-breaking work. It's tough to get your hand around and just takes a lot out of you. But with this rag being all lubed up, this thing glides all over the glass. Scrub your windshield from end to end, go back and forth, and if your windshield is absolutely filthy, do this a couple of times, but in total, you're only going to need about 30 seconds to do this cleaning part. Now with that windshield completely soaped up and scrubbed, we're ready to remove it. So grab that towel that you just laid down on the dashboard, and you're going to use that to absorb all of the soap and basically try to get off anything on that windshield that you can. Now while you're doing it, it's still going to look kind of streaky and sudsy and all that stuff, but just keep going and get as much as you possibly can off the windshield. And now for the final polishing step. Grab that second cloth or microfiber rag that you've got and wipe the entire windshield down. You will find almost no resistance while you're doing this because of course the glass is already completely clean. As you're wiping this windshield down, the smudges, the streaks, they're just simply not there. That is because the soap and the addition of that rubbing alcohol break down grease, grime, smoke, all sorts of nasty stuff on the inside of that windshield far better than any glass cleaner on the market can do. And step back and take a look at your results, and I guarantee your glass is going to be crystal clear. You will not see any smudges or streaks, and it will probably be the clearest your screen has ever been from when you originally bought your car. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, or you go ahead and clean your windshield with good results, please come back and leave me a comment below. And if you're not already, subscribe to the Silver Symbol channel for more videos coming up.